Okay, now we can that's why I think he's wrong. I don't know he's wrong on this. Oh no! Oh! He's in front. He's not. Fast! Charge! Squat! Squat! Yeah, yes! How'd you run? I don't know how to run on these controls. Oh! Yes! I don't know how to run. It's this. I pressed that. It didn't run. I don't know.
Okay, Jason.
I know, but I didn't know how to run.
Kwenta chi anyway, kwenta chi.
Oh, that's how you have to run.
Tackle lewat? Yes. Kenapa nawan eistedd lewat?
Yeah, me.
Sebentar, di melin.
Fast, fast, Ella. Move on. No. Really, I'm not seeing it. Must. Yes. I just shot right. Oh my god, I'm the goalkeeper. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Pass. X. No. Circle. I don't know. Go on, Reese. I can't. I don't understand what happened. The goalie came out of the box.
Ora Mauro, prendi di prima. Bitter, van avanti.
Yellow card.
Spiano, va.
I'm gonna have to go to hospital.
One,
I'm gonna shoot.
penalty.
It's not a penalty. Oh, fair. Press OK. Back. Goalkeeper.
Penalty, o hwnna.
No, it's free kick. Yes, it's a big surf on fish. Yes.
Oh, well done. Go on, one.
Oh no, go Ethan, go. No, you can't. No, yes, pass.
Come on.
Oh,
Go on.
Go Ethan. No, we got him away.
Da, iawn. Da ni colli.
Yes.
Oh,
she got me.
goalie.
Yes, well done, Ella.
Well done. Come on.
Oh, try to do skills.
Samsung Pro.
I'm not used to shoot.
No,
Yes, X. Go Ethan.
Come on. Oh,
Oh no! Free kick! Offside. Yeah, bounce off it. It's offside. No, it's free kick. Oh, I'm trying. Okay, hold on.
yeah.
No. Fine. Just remember to pass, okay? X. X. I'm offside anyway. We're gonna be offside. X. Go on, Ethan. Get it up. I can't. Just a tip, just don't pass to him. Yes. No, come on. Oh, no. Oh, go. We can't, Hannah, if you don't have the ball. If we're not close to them, how are we meant to tackle? He wasn't going to miss that. It's crazy. Yes.
Oh, we've lost.
1-2. Thomas. Ethan. I got it up. Nice squad. Yes. Doing. I don't know what this goalkeeper's doing. He's like, he's daydreaming, really. Okay, pass. What do you think? It's a new. Do I know what to do? We can't beat him. Oh no, you're deleting. Yes. How? Okay, Daniel, then. Yes. How do I tackle? Circle. Oh, yeah. Then again. Oh, spine. No, that's not pretty bad. Oh my god, we have to do it. No, what are you doing? Oh, my goalkeeper ran out to make it. Indirect free kick. Hello, X. Go on, Ethan. I'm gonna lob us it. X, no. Yes. No, deflection. Yes, please. Yeah. Oh no. Yes. Who's the winner? 6-4. Yeah. No, that's right. 3-0. 6-4. Yes, he fouled me. I couldn't. Yes, penalty. I'm taking it otherwise, okay? If it is me, if it's you, I'll take. Free kick. Yeah. Ready? I've missed it. Yes! Oh yeah, 2 minutes. Hi, Docken. Option. Oh, it's her. Okay, so we've got to start. No, I thought it was you. Go on, Morata. You pass. X. What are you? X. Silva. Oh. That was somebody. Sorry, can you go down in Messi and Brian?
Oh yeah, the name is Suarez and he's
Oh,
yeah. But yeah, I did push it probably yes. Okay, pass, please.
no!
PK, no.
Yeah. This is, I don't know why I did this.
Onion on swell.
Oh, yes, well done, Ella.
Yes.
Go there, pass him on, run. Ella! No, too much. Yes! Whoa!
Oh, I was living together and today the tea very enough.
You got a circle in there, okay? That's
Yeah.
We've lost 5-1. Pass. No.
Hey!
Yeah, we've lost.
We put him out.
Yes, you've finally done something good for once in your life. Oh, that's fun. Yeesh. X. Go on, Ethan! Go, Ethan! Shoot! Ethan, shoot! I can't shoot straight away, you'll miss. Uh-oh. Okay, is it me or is it you? It's me. Press square, get ready for square. You just tap X. I pressed it too much. We've lost 5. Unless Scob helps us, then we've won. No.
Oh, yeah.
You thought you're going to get a red card? You're just lucky. We did it. We've lost 5-4. Offside.
How many should I find to try?
Yeah. Scott, tell me that.
Like, what's your card? Oh my god, come on. It's not good one.
I got double team back.
Red card, come on. Dos ambos.
Okay. What roll?
Well,
Good.
yes. Oh.
Oh yeah. Antonio says, oi, oi, oi. Get out. Go in the place. Get out. Get out. No. I said no, so no.
I said yes, so yes.
Yes.
No, you have to wait till you start.